Have you ever wondered what happens if you sleep on your left side? It's a question that might not cross your mind, unless, of course, you're having trouble finding that sweet spot of comfort to drift off into dreamland. But here's the thing. The position in which we sleep isn't just about comfort. It can also have a profound impact on our health. Every night, as we surrender to sleep, our bodies are hard at work, repairing, rejuvenating, and resetting for the day ahead. Now, imagine if you could enhance this process simply by adjusting the way you curl up under the covers. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, that's precisely what we're going to explore today. We're diving into the world of slumber to uncover the potential health benefits of sleeping on your left side. Yes, you heard that right, your left side. It might seem like a trivial detail, but as we'll discover, it's anything but. Now, we're not saying that sleeping on your right side or your back or your stomach is harmful per se. Every sleeping position has its pros and cons. But today we're spotlighting the left side. Why? Because it seems to offer an array of health benefits that are too compelling to ignore. From aiding digestion to enhancing lymphatic drainage and even promoting better heart health, left side sleeping could be a simple yet powerful tool for wellness. It's fascinating, really, how a minor adjustment to our nightly routine could potentially have such a significant impact on our well-being. But don't just take our word for it. In this video, we're going to delve into the science behind these claims, providing you with the facts and research you need to understand the potential benefits of this sleeping position. So, whether you're a dedicated right-sider, a steadfast back sleeper, or a committed stomach snoozer, we invite you to keep an open mind. Who knows? By the end of this video, you might just find yourself rethinking your sleeping habits. Strap in, because you're about to discover the amazing benefits of sleeping on your left side. But first, why does your sleeping position even matter? You may wonder. Well, your slumbering posture isn't just about comfort. It's a vital factor that influences multiple aspects of your health, from your breathing to your digestion and even your brain health. Starting with your breathing, your sleeping position can significantly impact your respiratory system. If you're a back sleeper, it may lead to issues like snoring or sleep apnea, because the gravity can cause your tongue to fall back, blocking the airway. On the other hand, sleeping on your stomach can put unnecessary pressure on your diaphragm, making it harder for you to breathe. Now, let's talk about digestion. Our body is designed for digestion to work best when we're upright during the day. But at night, your sleeping position can make a difference too. Lying on the right side can slow down the digestive process, as it puts your stomach at an angle that can cause heartburn and acid reflux. And when it comes to our all-important brain, the position we sleep in can affect its health too. Research suggests that sleeping on our side can help the brain remove waste products more efficiently compared to sleeping on our back or stomach. This could potentially reduce the risk of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But it's not just about the side, back, or stomach. Even the tilt of your head, the bend of your knees, or the way you cradle your arms, all these subtle details of your sleeping position can influence your well-being in surprising ways. For instance, sleeping with your head elevated can help reduce the risk of acid reflux and snoring. So while we may think of sleep as a time of rest, our bodies are still hard at work, and the position we choose to sleep in can support or hinder these processes. Now that we know sleep position is important, let's dive into why the left side is the star of the show. Did you know that sleeping on your left side can actually help your digestion? Now you might be wondering, how exactly can a sleeping position affect something like digestion? Well, it's all about the anatomy of our bodies. Our stomach and pancreas are located predominantly on the left side of our bodies. When we sleep on our left side, gravity can help facilitate the digestive process. It aids in the movement of food waste from the small intestine to the large intestine. This is because the exit of the stomach and the entrance to the large intestine, known as the ileocecal valve, are both positioned on the right. So, sleeping on your left side allows food waste to move more easily into the descending colon, which means it can be eliminated more efficiently the next morning. Moreover, the pancreas, which produces enzymes that aid in digestion, and the gallbladder, which releases bile to help break down fats, are also on the left side. Sleeping on the left side allows these organs to secrete their digestive juices more effectively, contributing to a smoother digestion process overall. But that's not all. Sleeping on your left side can also help reduce heartburn. This is because the lower esophageal sphincter, which prevents stomach acid from entering the esophagus, is positioned slightly to the left. So, when you sleep on your left side, the stomach sits below the esophagus, making it harder for stomach acid to escape and cause heartburn. Now, it's important to note that everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. But if you're someone who frequently experiences indigestion or heartburn, it might be worth giving left side sleeping a try. It's a simple change, but it could make a big difference in your digestive health. So, if you're prone to indigestion or heartburn, you might want to try switching sides. After all, a good night's sleep is not just about the number of hours we spend in bed, but also about the quality of those hours. And improved digestion could just be the key to waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Next up, let's talk about your lymphatic system. Now, you might be wondering what this has to do with sleep. Well, it's all interconnected. The lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins and waste. It's like your body's personal waste disposal system. This system plays a crucial role in our overall health. It's responsible for transporting a clear fluid called lymph, which contains infection-fighting white blood cells throughout the body. A well-functioning lymphatic system equates to a robust immune system, which is essential for fending off diseases and infections. Now, here's where the sleeping position comes into play. Did you know that the majority of your lymphatic system is located on the left side of your body? That's right. When you sleep on your left side, gravity can help facilitate the lymphatic drainage, allowing the system to work more efficiently. This can potentially enhance your body's detoxification process during the night. As you sleep, your body is still hard at work. While your conscious mind is in dreamland, your unconscious mind oversees the removal of toxins and waste. This waste disposal process is more effective when you sleep on your left side due to the natural flow of the lymphatic system. The benefits of this are twofold. Firstly, the more efficiently your body can remove toxins and waste, the less likely you are to get sick. Secondly, this process can also help reduce inflammation, which is linked to various health issues like heart disease and arthritis. So, by simply changing your sleeping position to the left side, you could potentially boost your immunity. It's a small change, but it could have a significant impact on your health in the long run. In simple terms, sleeping on your left side could help your body detoxify more effectively. It's like giving your body's waste disposal system a little extra help. And who wouldn't want that? Last but certainly not least, let's explore how sleeping on your left side might benefit your heart. A heart, as we all know, is the engine room of our bodies, pumping life-giving blood to every cell. So it stands to reason that anything we can do to support this vital organ is worth a closer look. Now let's delve into the wonders of our circulatory system. When we lie on our left side, we're naturally aiding the flow of blood through our body. This is due to the orientation of our major blood vessels. The largest artery in our body, the aorta, curves to the left, meaning that when we sleep on our left side, gravity assists in pushing blood out into the circulatory system. On the flip side, the inferior vena cava, which is responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood back to the heart, is also on the right side of the body. When we lie on our left, the return flow of blood to the heart is less impeded, reducing the workload of the heart. It's like giving your heart a little vacation each night, letting gravity do some of the heavy lifting. This reduced workload for the heart could have significant implications for cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that this simple change in sleeping position could potentially help manage blood pressure levels. High blood pressure or hypertension is a major risk factor for heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. So, anything that could help keep our blood pressure in check is worth considering. Moreover, improved circulation doesn't just benefit the heart. It also means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to all our organs, tissues, and cells, promoting overall health and well-being. Of course, it's important to remember that sleeping on your left side is not a magic bullet for heart health. It should be considered as part of a comprehensive approach to cardiovascular wellness, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and regular checkups with your doctor. So, for a healthier heart, consider rolling onto your left side tonight. Convinced about the benefits but finding it hard to make the switch? We've got some tips for you. Transitioning to left side sleeping might seem like a daunting task, particularly if you've been sleeping on your right side or back for years. But don't fret, it's entirely doable, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Let's start with the simplest tip, using pillows. Pillows are more than just a soft spot to rest your head. They can be an effective tool to aid in your transition. Try placing a few pillows on your right side to discourage you from rolling over in your sleep. You could also use a full-length body pillow, which can provide comforting support to your back and make left side sleeping more comfortable. Another strategy is to gradually increase your left side sleeping time. Don't rush into it and expect to spend the entire night on your left side right away. Instead, start small. Dedicate the first 20 minutes of your sleep to lying on your left side. Then, slowly but surely, increase this time until you're spending the majority of the night in this position. Next, consider your mattress. You might need a mattress that provides more support or one that accommodates side sleeping better. Everyone is unique, so what works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to find a mattress that suits your individual needs. Lastly, make sure your sleeping environment is as comfortable as possible. This includes having a dark, quiet room, maintaining a cool temperature, and investing in quality bedding. A comfortable environment will make it easier for you to fall asleep and stay asleep on your left side. Switching to left side sleeping can make a significant difference in your health, and the transition doesn't have to be difficult. With a bit of patience, some strategic pillow placement, and gradual changes, you can make the switch more comfortably than you might think. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, so be patient with yourself. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. It's been quite a journey diving into the world of slumber, and we've uncovered some amazing insights. We began by understanding the importance of sleep position. We learned that something as simple as the way we lie down in bed can have profound effects on our health. It's one of those little things that can make a big difference. We turned our focus to left side sleeping, a topic that may seem surprising to many, but as we delved deeper, we discovered that this seemingly trivial aspect of our daily routine can have significant health benefits. The left side, it turns out, is more than just a direction. It's a position that can help us lead healthier lives. The first benefit we explored was improved digestion. Our bodies are a marvel of engineering, and the design is such that sleeping on our left side can help our digestive system function more efficiently. It's all about gravity and the position of our organs. When we sleep on our left side, our stomachs are positioned in a way that helps food travel more smoothly through the digestive tract. A simple shift to the left can aid digestion and potentially alleviate issues like heartburn and acid reflux. Next, we looked at how left side sleeping can enhance lymphatic drainage. The left side of our body is the dominant lymphatic side, and sleeping in this position can facilitate the body's filtration process. It's like giving your body's waste disposal system an overnight boost, helping to remove toxins and waste more effectively. We then discussed the benefits for our heart. The heart is undeniably one of our most vital organs, and it seems that it too has a preference for the left side. Sleeping on the left side can help reduce the workload of the heart while we're at rest. It's a simple way to show some love to our heart, promoting better cardiovascular health and potentially reducing the risk of heart-related ailments. Lastly, we shared some tips on how to switch to left side sleeping. For those of us who are habitual right side or back sleepers, the transition might take some time and practice. But as with any new habit, consistency is key. With patience and perseverance, the shift to left side sleeping can become second nature. In conclusion, it's clear that the way we sleep can have a greater impact on our health than we might have thought. While it's important to remember that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another, the potential benefits of left-side sleeping are certainly worth considering. It might be a small change, but it could lead to big improvements in our overall health and well-being. So, the next time you hit the hay, remember, left is best. Good night and sleep tight.